guys, this is Katie and today we are seeing Billie Eilish here in Bangkok. So if we haven't met before, my name is Katie, I live in Bangkok and I vlog about my life here. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you hit subscribe. But today we are heading to the Billie Eilish concert. This is in the Impact Arena, which is just on the outskirts of Bangkok. It's about a 45-minute drive from where we live, but obviously because of traffic, it takes about an hour. We just caught a grab. It's probably the easiest way to get there. And then we headed over to a place in the Novotel. So this is a little bar that's in the Novotel hotel just opposite the arena. Prices weren't too bad. There is like an Irish bar as well that's nearby, which we will check out next time we go to this area. But we just kind of decided to have a drink and a quick dinner before we headed into the concert. And you can see they had some pretty good burgers. I will say this burger looks kind of standard. It actually was really nice. We are going to see Billie Eilish. This is our first big concert that we've seen here. Very excited for it. It's the first kind of like post, you know what, like concert we've been to. Masks are still required inside the arena, but we are just on the concourse area, and it's really interesting because there are loads of like chain places. So there's like Black Canyon Coffee, which is super busy, KFC, McDonald's, like all of those types of places. Chester's Grill, which is like a chicken place. Interesting, but yeah, there's lots of different places along here, so if you're hungry, then there's definitely places that you can go and eat. So, in true O'Donoghue fashion, we are 2 seats from the back because I refuse to pay more than 3,000 baht for a ticket to Billie Eilish. But I was just saying, this is very similar seats to when we saw Taylor Swift in the O2. But the stadium's a lot nearer, which is great. So yeah, the show should start in like 20 minutes.
First time here, and I'm happy to be here. Everybody on the right side of the room, are you doing good? Now everybody on the left side, are you doing brother.